Well, hello there everyone. This is June of Relationship. I know it's been a while since the last vlog that we have uploaded. I will tell you why. So please stick around and sail away with me. And yes, I'm back. I missed you all. Na-miss ko pong kausapin kayo. And it's just that it's really very busy. As you can see, I'm already in my uniform. I have some clips that I can show you. Unfortunately, there's no way I can upload it. Our internet connection is kind of slow, but it's understandable because we have so many here on board. The Anthem of the Seas. And so in today's vlog, I decided just to give you a little of everything what had happened since I started to be on board. So I hope you like it. But for now, so just to be updated, I'm showing you all this. Laya na kami! Dumaan kami, papunta kami sa cruises. Dali, laya na kami! Waitress ka? Waitress ka? This is the crewman. Say hi.
That's right.
First time after 1.5 years.
Yeah?
Yeah. No, first time in this class. We are here. We're going to the dining room. Yes. We're going now, okay? And here's everyone. We're going. Oh, kailangan magpa-picture ako dyan kasi may picture yung pamangkin ko dyan eh. Dito, sa chair na yan. Alright. We're still walking around the ship kasi we just got released from our quarantine. So after 14 days, and yesterday we had a swab test, and now we got a call that we can already go. Hey! Look who's there! Mary Lee is there! Hi, Mary Lee! Welcome to Jamie's Italian. This is the Cafe Promenade. We will have a actual tour of the ship when we have time, but for now we're just giving you a little preview of the ship. Okay, this is our first meal after quarantine. It's nice to be seated in the dining room with all the other crew. I'm with Imelda again. Superstar na. So what I'm having, I got pasta with white sauce. I got a steak, roasted pumpkin. I have a cream of leek soup. And then I just asked for potato salad and tuna salad with a half cup of rice, and my dessert is right there. Okay, kain tayo. Oh, ito ang mga ladies of Legend of the Seas. So, nagkita-kita kami dito since it's been what? 15 years! 15 years ago! It's good to be together again! 15 years ago! Or maybe 17 years! No, 18 years ago na! Diba? We are the, wow! Women of worth! Oh, diba? We are the women of worth! We are now walking in the I-95. So it has been a while since we have seen the I-95. In the common ship terms, diba na-mention natin, I-95 is the main highway. So this is it. Good morning. It's another beautiful day. So this is what I have on my view. No more body of what? No more bodies of water. Very calm, very peaceful. Alright, today is the first day of work. Naka-uniform na. Alright, we are now in the dining room, silk dining room, and we just started the Go-Go team. So most of us are just here, as you can see, and starting to clean up. Alright, so let's see how it goes. Hope you can hear me. We are in the Royal Theater. We're gonna have do a stage training. So the maitre d' is at the stage. Let me show you, okay? So everybody is in physical distancing in the theater. Alright, so they set up something at the stage. And we are about to start.
You guys who are reminding people about safety trainings and they are calling you to make sure.
Okay, I am with Mary Lee. We just finished work and we're trying to check around whatever Anthem of the Seas can offer. And now we will show you the Seaplex. This is what they call Seaplex. And look at the place. This is where they having the bomb cars. Just like this. Naabangan namin mag-open. We will try it. Sana mag-open bago ako umalis dito at nasipa ako. This is the arcade where all the teenagers can play. Look at that. There you go. Wow. There you go.
The top level and win prizes.
Let's play.
Stackers.
Bye. Hello there, everyone. We just finished the training for SSOT. Now I'm going back to my cabin, and we are on deck number 4 at the moment. Where you can see at my back, you see the Royal Theater, and this time that's the Royal Esplanade. Okay, this time we just want to have 1 hour break, and then we'll be back to the cruise to work. Ciao. Okay, going to the room now to get some rest. Makapagtaas man lang ng paa. Diba? Wait 1 second. Sorry guys. Hindi natin mabuksan eh. Let's see. Nandito na. Tingin na tayo. Today, I'm gonna take you to the laundry. So, I'm gonna press this in. Plancha tayo, tara. Waiting for elevator. Ayun, bukas na. So, we're going on deck number 2. Okay, tayo sa deck 0. Today is Friday. It shows on the elevator. Yeah, let's go. This is the way to the... Yeah, vlog. Okay. Going to the laundry. Down. So, sama kayo. Baba tayo. Okay. Deck 1 na tayo. Ayan ang laundry. Smile! Yung camera! Hello! Vlog ko. Ayan, plancha muna.
Vlog mo yan?
Yo! Oh, plancha! Diba? Natin. So, meron tayo up to there. Yan, the whole laundry area. Hello there, everyone! So, today is Independence Day. We are actually preparing the crew mess. We will have a special dinner for everyone tonight, for all the crew. So we're trying to set up everything, just like this. Okay. Very busy preparing for the Philippine Independence Day. At ang puti. Ayun. Ayan, bang.
Hello.
No, he's not Filipino though.
No.
He looks like one.
Filipino.
Ito, Pilipinong totoo. Say hi to. So, right. Alright. See, they're all starting to prepare for everything. Let's check what we have in the bread. Okay, the whole crew mess is being set up for the Independence Day. Hi, Chef. So, what do you prepare for us?
Yeah, well, coconut bread, Spanish bread,
Yeah. Pan de coco.
Mexico.
Very good. Yeah, that will be a blockbuster for Filipinos. Oh my God. See, it's a real ensaymada this time. Look at that. I'm so excited to have one. Kasi totoo yan, di ba? Yung bit, naka-twist. Yes, that's it. Yan ang creativity ng Pinoy. Look at that. Tignan mo. Hello! Diba? Ayan si Chef din. Hi, Chef. All getting ready. I'm trying to set up now. Alright, there you go. Thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed that. And once again, this is Jude, and I will see you again.
Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, click the like,